Good morning, everybody. My name is Anubhav Shrestha, and this is the video I'm going to make for the demonstration of my digitization project. So, guys, my demonstration project is about real-time monitoring, network monitoring tool. So, it monitors different type of network resources. So, as you can see, it monitors bandwidth, throughput, link, and port, as well as the database server, and generates the report of those of the monitored network resources. So as you can see, this is the basic dashboard with front end of the client, in which all the server backend scripts will run and displays the data in real time. So my dissertation project, I made my dissertation project with the help of Django and Python. So this is how we run the Django and Python. So as you can see, it is run, the server is run from the command line. So after the server is run, we can access the website. So in this website, we can see we can log in, as well as we can sign up any new account. So now let's go to the functionality. So as you can see, for a user to check their bandwidth utilization, they can just clicking go into bandwidth page. After there, you will see a start button. So after the start button, we can see it will display all the real-time bandwidth utilization in a line graph. So let's demonstrate it now. So as you can see, it is showing in line graph. As you can see, the since nothing is being used internet, the bandwidth is low. Now if we try to browse something, it starts to consume high bandwidth. As you can see now, starting to consume high. Yeah, as you can see, it's skyrocketing. So now this is how the bandwidth is measured. So now let's go and check the throughput. So after we click the throughput, similarly like bandwidth, we will see a start button. So if you press this button, the throughput will be currently maximum upload and download throughput of the host will be shown. So now let's see it. Yeah, see, you can see the download in Mbps is almost 20, and the upload is 16. This is the download and upload throughput. Currently my download and upload throughput. So another function of this project is that it gives open port status. We can scan the open port status. For that, all we need to do is fill the IP. So since I only have this host, we can just fill the host IP, or we can give an IP which is connected to the host, and that's the IP. This. So as you can see, now we can start scanning on this IP and check the result, which ports are open. Now let's start scanning. Now as you can see, the host IP which we have scanned is displays, and the port number which are open are 139, 135, 443 and 445. So this is how we can see the open port of a particular IP. So now if you want to check about the server status, we can just click on the server. After we click it asks us to give the host IP as well as the username, password and database. Since I made the database server locally, now I can give my localhost IP, which is 127.0.0.1, and the username for my database is, and password, and the database which I want to check is the name of the database is tool. So now if I connect, it should probably show the information. Yeah, you can see the information of the database given below of the database server. So as you can see, the information which we retrieve is the host IP which we have given from which the database is running, also the name of the database, which is tool, also the server version of the database which is being used. So the server is the database which I have used is the server of MySQL community server, and the version is 8. Also the port number in which the database is being used, so the port is 33060. The uptime of the database system, so it's almost been 1 hour which I mean that the database is being up. So the storage engine which is used by the database is InnoDB, and the occupied storage is currently the 10 MB, since it is it is the database which I've used for my dissertation. Not many tables has been occupied, so just 10 MB has been used. The SSL version used for in this server is TLS version 1.2. Also the number of threads running in this server is 2, and the buffering size of the server is 8. We can change this with different type of MySQL queries commands. So guys, these are the some of the functions. Now let's check the report section. So in the report section we can see that the report is generated is shown. So and the report has only been shown of bandwidth and throughput. If the user want to get the report of all the functionalities like a port, open port, as well as the server information, then the then they can complete generate and send the report to the email by just entering the email. As you can see the bandwidth, you can see the maximum bandwidth is 8, and the time when it was recorded, and also the minimum which it has recorded 2 times is that 0.2 Mbps in today in 226, and another same amount in 228. That's why 2 values are shown in here. And now for throughput, we can see the maximum throughput calculated up to now is this minimum download throughput, also the maximum upload throughput, and also the minimum upload throughput. Now guys, let's just give an email and let's see how the complete report is generated. So I'm going to give my email address here. So as I given my email address, now I can send my email. Send email. Yeah, as you can see the email has been sent. Now let's check the email section. Now I'll open my email. Let's see if I have received the complete generated report or not. Yeah, as you can see guys, the mail which I've received is from Vampire MTS. So that's the name of Vampire Monitoring System. So as you can see, the results are being stored here. Now if you want to check the result, the user can just download it and you can see what are the results stored, bandwidth, yeah, and server results, uptime, everything. So this is the complete result which the user can see. So now if you want to, now let's talk about the functionality which I have given specially for those who makes account. Now let's who has account in this website. So now let's log in to the account, and let's I will log in with my account. So guys, after I log in, it's so this way you can log out just by clicking here and pressing this logout button. So the main function which I've given for those user who has made an email made an account is that they get an alert. So if the user wanna get alert, they'll get alert in their mail registered. So for this account I measured the same email. So as you can see now nothing is here, no alert are given. So let's just go once again to the report section and check. Yeah, the alert section will trigger only when the bandwidth or throughput is below certain mark. So now let's go and check check the alert trigger, if it has triggered or not. As you can see the report, in the report that maximum bandwidth is very low and the minimum is also too low. Yeah, as you can see the alert system for bandwidth has been triggered since it is lower than which we have set. So as you can see in the alert system, just a simple message, and it says that the bandwidth is currently too low, please check your connection SSP. This will give the user a knowledge, user an idea that their bandwidth consumption is very low, and they can just check their connection and check where the problem is. So as you can see in just 0 minutes, it's been 0 minutes ago. So guys, now we can log out. Other functionality are the same for the second user. Just this extra functionality that the login user can do is that they can get alert system, which is very nice. So so guys, thank you for watching. This is the project which I made for my dissertation, and hope you guys like it. Thank you.